National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Warren County and southwestern Ohio, Clinton County and southwestern Ohio, south central Greene County, north central Highland County and southwestern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanchester, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Blanchester, Sabina, Leesburg, New Vienna, Morrow, New Jasper, Woodville, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Martinsville, Midland, Bowersville, Port William, Highland, New Antioch, Cuba, Paintersville, Ogden and State Route 350 at U.S. Route 22. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 34 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What you guys new?